it's how to make a YouTube screencast video. Just go to YouTube, the plus sign, and then here you can change the title if you want. Tutorial. Done. Or how to screencast. Done. And then here you can change the description. For example, I don't know, how to, whatever you want. And then here you can see the screencast option. Then yeah, screencast, just enable, and then go to, for me, because I'm monetized, I can go to this setting and put enable monetization. Then next. No, it's not made for kids because I always have videos it's not involved with kids. And then you can say got it. And then start recording or cut. So next you have to go here and then make the video smaller, and then go back. Oops. And then I usually turn off the video, and then go to Google Photos, and then you can choose the videos that you want to share. For example, just here, click, and then just turn off then the go live. So go live, and then you are live. So that's it. I hope it can help you.